A video doorbell is easy to install and can give you added security and peace of mind. The Ring Video Doorbell 2 lets you see who's at the door and keeps track of everything that happens. The Ring Doorbell comes with a rechargeable battery that acts as a backup. Begin by charging the battery. This battery can be removed and recharged after mounting the doorbell as well. When the red light disappears, the battery's charged. Install the battery and wait for the system to start up. Download the Ring app for your phone and install it. This app is what allows you to watch the video feed from your doorbell and use the intercom feature to talk to visitors. Create an account and follow the on-screen prompts to get started. If you need more information, the app contains some help videos to show you the way. Begin by turning off power to your current doorbell at the breaker. Remove your old doorbell. Use a voltage detector to ensure the power is off. And disconnect the wires. Use the included level to position the doorbell correctly. Mark and drill new holes in your wall if necessary. And use wall anchors if you're installing into stucco, concrete, or brick. If you need a better view, you can install one of the wedge mounts to angle the camera. Connect the doorbell wires to the back of the ring. The order is not important. If the wires are too short, use the included wire extensions to give yourself more room. Mount the new doorbell onto the wall with the included screws. Turn the power back on, then choose a faceplate and install it to complete your installation. And your Ring doorbell is installed and ready to go.